have somebody that's been your friend for 20 years. 20 years, 15 years, high school friends, all these people that we grew up together. We spent the night together, all this stuff. And these are the people that's right here over your shoulder spewing the most hate because they're mad that you have outdone them. They're mad that you have outgrown them. They're mad that you're doing everything you said you would do, and they probably haven't reached a couple of their goals. So I truly don't believe in it. I truly believe in it's energy. You can truly tell whether it's a new person or somebody that's been around you for your childhood time, if this should continue. Sometimes childhood friends and friends that you've known for so long, there's an expiration date on that.
For sure.
Because we ain't doing nothing. We ain't going on no friendly dinners. We not meeting up for lunch. We ain't talking about a new motivation. We ain't buying no land. We ain't starting no business. We ain't trying to get no money. We ain't trying to help each other grow. What we talking about? We still not talking about what happened in junior high school at the prom. We don't want to talk about that. I'm sorry.
And low key,
Can
they
we
don't
move on?
really, some of them don't even be liking you.
They don't even, they just watching
just
you
in
grow
case
and they're not
friends.
growing.